I am here at this hike called the Twin Sisters. It's just outside the Tri-Cities here in Washington, and I've seen some pictures on Instagram of these giant rock structures just coming up out of the ground, and they're overlooking the Columbia River. And so I'm just excited to do this hike and to get some awesome drone shots. I'm also hoping I don't get bitten by a rattlesnake, so wish me luck on that. Pretty cool. So that's them. That's the Twin Sisters. You can see they're pretty cool looking, and it's just a really easy hike. It's about a half-mile hike just uphill. And there you go. And it looks like there's trails all around here, so I'll do a little bit of exploring with that. But I think now it's time we break out the drone and we get some awesome footage.
This is the start of how it all ends. Pull the knives out my back for my own friends. I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing at all. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh, my heart is still wild. People crave to watch me fall. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh.
All right, so we're done flying with the drone for now. It's actually really windy, so I had to kind of go around a couple spots to kind of dodge the wind. I was going for some really cool angles, and one where the wind just kind of blew my drone sideways, which was unfortunate. Otherwise, I think it would have been pretty awesome. It's a really short hike that you can see some really beautiful views. So in this one spot, it's a little less windy, so I was able to try the drone out from right here. And I think I got a pretty cool takeaway shot. So looking forward to seeing that all nice and on the big screen.
I'm surrounded by light.